What's up, YouTube? It is 2019. Sorry I didn't post a video last week. It's been kind of crazy. So Disneyland is a big part of my family. I've been going to Disneyland since I was probably 4. And then my little brothers and sisters, they've been going since basically straight out of the womb. We didn't care. We would just take them. So this year, my grandma surprised me. Well, I knew about it. But me and my siblings and her adopted kids with the trip to Disneyland to celebrate the holidays.
We're leaving Thursday.
This Thursday?
And you're never coming back.
So if the kids don't look too excited about going to Disneyland, it's not that they're not grateful, it's that we've all gone to Disneyland a lot, so it might not be as exciting to as most people. I mean, I was excited in the inside. I might not show it on the outside, but I would live at Disneyland if I could, so I was happy to go. Other than that, the park was absolutely beautiful. I think this is my first time going during Christmas time, and it was just completely decked out. Christmas lights everywhere. They had this huge Christmas tree. The castle was all decked out for Christmas. California Adventure was all decked out for Christmas, and they had like this festival of holidays with like all these different cultural dishes that you could try. That was pretty cool. So yeah, this is our Disneyland Christmas trip, and hope you enjoy. Also, before I forget, if you are liking what you're seeing, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see what's coming up for the rest of the year of 2019. I have to go take out the trout out of the oven. But yeah, leave a comment, let me know, and happy 2019, guys.
Here we go.
Where are we all going?
Disneyland. Oh, that's wimpy.
Yippee! Oh my god!
Who's excited?
Woo!
Juno, you excited?
Yeah.
What do you mean you guess?
Are you gonna put this?
Yep. Calm down.
Duh. Where are we going? Are you excited? You gonna yell at the kids?
Where are we
Rosalie,
going?
are you excited?
Yes.
I'm guessing Calvin's driving? Yeah. Oh, you're making
Okay, Calvin, take us to Starbucks.
Oh, shit.
safety.
You know?
Please keep your hands,
I'm gonna
arms,
win.
feet, and legs inside
I'm
your
gonna
game
win.
frame
I'm
at
gonna
all
win.
times.
I'm
Please
gonna
sit
win.
and leave your line. Just walk by.
No. Hey, Juno, guess what? Guess what? I won! I'm a dead.
Antonio, put your hands up.
Just give it all of that, guys. Fuck my life. Calvin, Juno, I hate you all. You're making me go on another motherfucking water ride. I hate you all. I hate you. I hate you all.
We love you.
I hate you.
You won't break legs.
I gotta pee.
Oh, Lexi.
Oh, lovely. I hate you, Bear. Don't get me wet. Stop it!
You're gonna get wet anyway.
Gotta pee.
Oh, you didn't go to the bathroom?
Gotta fucking pee.
Oh my gosh.
Fuck!
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
No! 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 No!
Just where you go.
And right here, right in front of me, is the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where famed archaeologist Indiana Jones is looking for the world's greatest treasure. But little does he know that I'm right here. Aww.
No, they don't. Do not say that. Don't say that.
Lexi.
Juno.